So it's pretty, oh jeez, pretty dangerous. Been stuck in the mountain for hours now. This is a terrible idea to keep going. I think over here we might see something. Oh yeah. Well, here we are at the trailhead. Got a little parking spot right here. And I made my own. A little worried about these rocks. Marvell's a little cold.
A lot cold.
Got our hiking shoes on.
Honey, hold on 1 second.
Beautiful day out.
Honey, hold on.
You remember where we parked?
No.
There's people around here, so I think we're good. Getting a little hot. You good? Our little adventure buddy. It's not that hard of a trail.
What?
I think the hard part's gonna be coming back up.
Yeah, this is all...
It's all uphill from here.
Yeah.
Is it all uphill or is it downhill? I never know. But you don't want to go downhill, right? So, is it uphill from here or downhill from here? We're having this argument. Why don't you guys let us know in the comments what you think? I think downhill from here, that's a bad thing.
I think it means it's easier. It's all downhill from here. It's easier.
We're just all downhill from here, like this is the end. And put me out of my misery. Never know, I guess. So this trail, it's like a waterfall trail. There's a waterfall at the end.
Where's the waterfall?
At the end.
Where's the end?
Nobody knows. Or just push it out of the way. I ducked. Got a pretty steep drop off here. It's kind of dangerous if you don't know what you're doing, which is pretty much us. So it's pretty, oh jeez, pretty dangerous for us. Is that a tequila plant? We got an untied shoe. Why don't you do a double like I do? Safety first. I don't want to step on your shoelace on a hiking trail with a 1,000-foot drop. That'd be bad news. So it looks like we're about halfway.
Honey, we still have to come back though.
Yeah, it's all uphill from here. Well, we're by the power lines, so the key is to stay by the power lines because that's how you remember where we parked. There's power lines up there, there's power lines over here. So somewhere between those power lines and these power lines is where we parked. Oh yeah, that's a long way down. Definitely like beautiful nature with beautiful nature graffiti. Ancient Mayans actually did this. It was a symbol to their gods. Yeah, I hear the waterfall, so we're getting close. Well, we didn't make it all the way.
No, we didn't. Just gonna do it.
Alright. It's all downhill from here.
Uphill from here. Literally.
can already feel my calves burning. Oh boy. Don't forget to hydrate. That's important. Oh, there's birds. This is a terrible idea to keep going. Alright, well, we made it to the end. It's quite the hike. Getting a little tired. We might have to do a little decompression at the hot tub afterwards. But breakfast first.
Breakfast!
Yeah. I think we're good. Pocket.
There's a pocket in my pants. Workout clothes.
Ugh. That was exhausting. We survived. We made it. Let's get going. Oh, it's so good.
West Coast.
Alright, we're home. All tired. Oh, that's nice. A little Christmas tree over there. Pretty hazy. I don't like this weather. Well, that's pretty much it for today. Just gonna take a nap now, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.